Well, hello, I'm Richard, and welcome back to my channel. What we're going to do today is take a look at how to eliminate unwanted characters that we get in Excel. So let's go look at our data file. So what we've got is we've got product, city, state, quantity, sales price, sales tax, and total sales. I want to focus on this column right here, and I'm going to highlight it just so we can really focus in on it. So this orange column is the one I want to focus on. And if you look at this column, you'll see we got a lot of stuff going on here. We've got hyphens between sometimes the product name, the product number. Sometimes we don't have the hyphen. We have these dots that are at the end of this. It just looks really confusing, and we'd like to get rid of these extra spaces or extra characters. So first thing we want to do is we're going to have to insert a column, and so we have a column to work with. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a function called the substitute function. So we're going to say equals, go up to our function button, and I'm going to click on substitute. I've already chosen it. If you haven't chosen it yet, you'll have to go to all and then type in the word substitute, and it will pop up. So we'll say equal, okay, and it's going to ask me first. I want to substitute something in this box right here, right? Next thing it says, what's my old text that I want to substitute for? And that's going to be, in this case, a hyphen. I want to get rid of the hyphens first, and then I'm going to replace it with just nothing, a blank space. So here we go, and I can now hit and close my, or just hit OK. I don't have to close the parenthesis. Hit OK, and it's going to give me the name of the product and the product number without the hyphen, and I can simply copy that down my page. Now, as we've seen before, one thing I can do once I've got this copied, I can just simply put my cursor over the right edge, right click and drag, and it will allow me to copy here as values only. And now these are values instead of formulas like over here, so I can get rid of these. Now I want to get rid of my dots. I've got all these extra dots in here, right? So I'm going to do the same thing, equals. We're going to go up to substitute, and we are going to hit OK. We're going to, again, go back to this cell. We're going to want to get rid of any dots or periods, and we're going to replace them again with a null space. Just two quotes, one after the other. Hit OK, and there it is. So I can just copy that down to page. I can right click on the edge, drag it over, copy as values only, though actually we're pasting. It's weird that it says copy, doesn't it? We're actually pasting here as values only. And now we've got that. And the last thing I want to do is I want to get rid of all those extra spaces that are in there. So I'll just trim that. Equals trim, and I've got another video on how to use the trim function. We just simply type in equals trim, click on what we want to trim, close the parenthesis, and it'll eliminate all the extraneous and extra spaces that are in that string of text. So now we've got the product and the product number without all that intervening hyphens and dots and everything else that's going on in there. And I can just take this, remember that's formula, so I can simply highlight that, right click on the edge, drag it to the left, click on copy here as values only, and I've got that, and I can get rid of column B. Now, the next thing we might want to do is separate the big box, small box, separate the product name from the product number. Now, we might want to go to try our text to column function for that, and let me show you it doesn't really work, and let me show you why, but I'm going to do another video that will show you how it works. So we're going to take this and highlight that, and we're going to do actually we can just do it, highlight the whole range. We're going to go up to data, we're going to go to text to columns, and when I do that, and I'm going to say my delimiter is going to be a space, right? And when I hit finish, look what it does. Okay, it's got data in there. It split this up. So, but here's the problem: big box product number, big box product number, small box product number. But then I got product, and the product number is not in column C; it's in column B. And that would be a real pain. I could move it in the small database, but if this is a big data file, I really want AC. I want the product number, which is the last 6 digits, always over here in the far right column. And text to columns doesn't allow me to do that really well if I'm also still going to keep big and box together. Now what's exciting is there's a new tool in Excel. It's actually 3 tools. There's one called text split, text before before and text after that aren't available in Excel 2019 but are available in the new version of Excel, and I'm going to do a separate video explaining how to do that tool. So if you like this video, click the like button below, and if you want to see more on this channel, just subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.